This video will show you 5 different ways of fixing the issue where Snapchat is not sending notifications, and the first thing to check is if they are enabled. We're going to open the settings page on our iPhone or our Android device, and then I'll locate this notifications section. I'm now on this page where I will be able to see all of the different apps which I have installed on my device. And since we have to fix the Snapchat notifications, let's find the app and open the settings for it. You can see that this switch is off, which means that my notifications for Snapchat were disabled completely. So I'm going to enable this switch, and then you can also customize which notifications you want to receive, like the lock screen or home screen notifications, if you want the app to play a sound when you receive a message, and all those sorts of things. Fix number 2 is to check if the notifications are turned on inside of the Snapchat app. You can do this by simply opening the Snapchat application, tap on the profile picture at the top left. Then find and click on this little gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you get to the settings page in Snapchat, simply locate the notifications button and then tap on it. Here it is for me, so I will make sure that the notifications which I want to receive are enabled or turned on. Some of these may have been turned off for you, and this is why Snapchat didn't send you any notifications. Fix number 3 is to simply restart your Android phone or your iPhone. I currently have my iPhone with me, so I will open my control center, then long press on the little power icon at the top right, which is going to show me the shutdown screen. I'll slide to power off real quickly, then wait a couple of seconds. Press the side button until the Apple logo appears, and then wait for the phone to turn back on, and check if this solved the issue. If the problem still persists, then maybe you have some features on your phone enabled which may block the notifications. So maybe the app is sending those notifications, but they may be blocked if you have the Do Not Disturb option enabled or whatever it's called on Android. So just make sure that the focus modes or the Do Not Disturb feature isn't enabled for you, because that is going to block your Snapchat and other notifications. Fix number 5 is to hop over to the App Store if you're an iPhone user, or the Google Play Store if you're an Android user, and then make sure that you have the latest version of the Snapchat app installed on your phone. If you see a little update option, then click on that button and wait a couple of minutes until the latest version of the Snapchat app downloads and installs on your device. When this whole process is done, simply restart your Snapchat app, ask a friend to send you a message, and then see if you've fixed your problem. If you happen to have any other fixes or solutions to this problem, then make sure to leave them in the comments down below so we can help more people. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.